1, 2, 3, 4 again, 4 big ones. One little one. I'll throw the little one back, I think. That's a good catch. Oh, let's get out. I'll stop this. 5 more perch. One little one. I'll throw that one back in, that little one. Those 4 are quite a good size for eating. Incredible. I was just flipping about there. Throw one back. Nice little fire going there. I'm going to be cooking the perch that I caught, smoking them in the box. I threw the 2 small ones back and kept the 3 big ones. And outside, snowing a little bit. Up in Kuopio, they were saying they've got about 10 centimetres of snow. There's just been a few flakes falling here. But that's it. Smoking them in that box. Well, you can't see it all that well. But that fire's quite nice looking. Smoking! It's beginning to rain as well. I have to give these about 20 minutes. They're going. Woohoo! Just hundreds of birds flying over. Incredible. Geese. What do we have there? Wanting some fish. Why is it so near the fire? Doesn't it know? It shouldn't be near this hot stuff. Yeah, I think he's trying to escape from the light. Don't go in there, you'll get burnt, you silly creature. Danny Longlegs. Off you go then. Smoking. Smoking some perch in the dark. That's really generating a lot of smoke now. I got 5 perch. I put 2 of them back, and the 3 big ones I kept for myself. And I've gutted them, put them in there with some spices, and now I'm just smoking them. Aha! It's dark, and for the past 10 minutes there's been an incredible amount of birds flying over. Hundreds, I would say, geese. Must be going south. Hope that doesn't burn my back. Anyway, it was a good day's fishing, and that Katiska, it wasn't a one-off chance. It looks like it works every time, so perhaps at the weekend I'll be doing more fishing. Can't eat too much perch every week. But that's it. Smoked perch. I'll show you what it looks like once it's done inside. Perhaps might eat some as well. Bye for now. Well, that's them. Cooked. I think I shall try some. The skin should just peel right off it.